If you're doing a WOW piece for HP, you've got to really showcase every possible feature that's out there for the Indigo. It's a fun challenge though, so with this piece, I decided to incorporate everything I possibly could in one piece. So I incorporated variable data printing, meaning that it was personalized with the person's name, the fact that Indigo can print onto black paper with white ink, that it can print on metallic, and then we can mask it out with white ink and sort of colors, that you can do die cutting and then have that folded up to the envelope, or die cutting and then have it spot mounted on something so that you can have dimensionality within the piece. It was every feature that you could sort of want in one showcased piece. And there's dimensionality, and just something that as someone was going and taking it and opening it up, it's just like there's another part to it, there's another part to it, so you've got to have this sort of wow function. From a standpoint of designing it where people are opening it, and then from a material standpoint too. Because we're using metallic on the outside, I actually was able to find a pearlized paper, and this paper actually has a mica surface into it that makes it really look metallic when you see the light sort of flash onto it. That was printed, it was die cut out and then spot mounted on top of this piece. And then I wanted to kind of have something that wasn't metallic, it wasn't shiny, so I printed it on this really matte black paper. If you get something in the mail and it's personalized, has your name on it, you're much more apt to sort of take it and open it up because it like says John or Sue or Richard. What's sort of fantastic about the Indigo variable data printing is you can do letters, or you can do objects or images. There's all sorts of ways you can personalize it. You open it up. The front of this, it's personalized again. It's personalized again here, and then the whole piece sort of opens up. And we have this sort of design. There were 4 variations of the interiors that happen, so depending on if you were a customer or a prospect, or if you had registered or not registered for this other event, the entire inside would sort of change out on the piece. And even with all that customization that's happening within the piece, because I'm printing it digital short run, I was able to still stay within budget for this entire piece. And also, I was able to experiment where we were able to do a couple of prototypes, weigh the prototypes, figure out what the shipping cost would be, reduce the size ever so slightly so that we could keep the shipping cost of the entire piece within budget too. These are the kind of projects I love as a designer, because HP came to me and said, hey, we want something, we want it to be wow, we want it to showcase a lot of great features with Indigo. So it's one of those wonderful, playful pieces as a designer where it's just like, I just have a playground of things to sort of choose from.